In our daily living, we used to multiply known numbers. When we say known numbers, it is the multiplication of numbers by numbers such as 2 times 3 or 5 times 10. How about if you are going to encounter numbers multiplied by unknowns or symbols? So how are we going to deal with that? In mathematics, the combinations of letters or symbols and numbers is belong to algebra. Hello everyone, this is Teacher Marlo and welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to learn about multiplication of polynomials using distributive property. Okay, the key idea here is that distributive property allows you to take a factor and distribute it to each member of the group that are being added or subtracted. So instead of multiplying factor by the entire group as a whole, you can distribute it to be multiplied by each member of the group individually. Okay, let us take this simple expression, 2 times the group x plus y. So by applying the property of distributive or the property of distribution, we are going to multiply the factor 2 to each member of the group. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times y is 2y. Sometimes we are a little bit confused when we see multiplication sign, just like small letter x and the parentheses. Do you know that parentheses also indicates multiplication? Therefore, 2 times the group a plus 8 is also equivalent to this expression. Okay, let us simplify 2 times the group a plus 8. So 2 times a plus 2 times a, and 2 times a is 2a plus 2 times 8 is 16. So after we distribute 2 to each member of the group, the answer is 2a plus 16. How about if we encounter multiplying a monomial to a binomial? Binomial because we have two terms, a plus 2b. So 7 times the group a plus 2b. Okay, again we are going to do the same process, 7 times a plus 2b. So 7 times a plus 7 times 2b. Okay, simplify. 7 times a is 7a plus 7 times 2b is 14b. Therefore, our simplified expression is equal to 7a plus 14b. How about that? Multiplying monomials by trinomial. Negative 3a times the group a squared minus 2ab plus 4b squared. Okay, let us apply the process of the distributive property. So negative 3a times a squared, negative 3a times a squared, and then plus negative 3a times negative 2ab plus negative 3a times 4b squared. So after we distribute negative 3a to each member of the group, simplify the expression. Negative 3a times a squared is equal to negative 3a cubed. Why cubed? Because the rule of exponent when it comes to multiplication is add their exponent. We know that the exponent of a, the variable a is 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, it is 3. Negative 3a cubed. And then, plus negative 3a times negative 2ab is equal to positive. Negative times negative is positive. So, 3 times 2 is 6. And then, a times a is a squared. Copy b. And then, plus negative 3a times 4b squared is equal to negative 12ab squared. Okay, next, remove the parentheses here. So 3a, negative 3a cubed plus 6a squared b. Then, positive times negative is negative 12ab. Okay? So, can we combine negative, or can we combine 6a squared b and 12ab squared? No, because they have different exponent. So, a here has the exponent of 2, while a here has the exponent of 1. Then b here has the exponent of 1, while b here has the exponent of 2. So we cannot combine this. They are not like terms. Therefore, this is our final answer. Negative 3a cubed plus 6a squared b minus 12ab squared. Next, how about if the factor is found on the right side of our group? Example, group A plus 3B times A. So don't be confused about that. Just apply the same process, the distributive property of multiplication. So 8 times A is equal to 8 times A times A is equal to 8A, and then plus 8 times 3 is 24B. Okay, that is our final answer, 8A plus 24B. Next, group B squared plus 3BC minus 2C squared times negative 5B. So that is multiplying monomial by trinomial. Okay, again, use the property of distribution. Okay, negative 5b times b squared is equal to negative 5b cubed. Negative 5b times 3bc is equal to negative 15. 15b squared c. Next, negative 5b times negative 2c squared is equal to positive 10bc squared. Okay, so there's no more like terms. So this is our final answer. Negative 5b cubed minus 15b squared c plus 10bc squared. Okay, expand and simplify the following expressions. Okay, first, let us multiply or distribute 2x to each term of the group. 2x times 3x is equal to 6x squared. Next, 2x times 5 is equal to 10x. Then copy plus 2x squared. Okay, look. We have here like terms x squared. So we can combine that. Okay, so 6x squared plus 2x squared plus 10x. So 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Then copy x squared and plus 10x. Okay, our simplified expression is equal to 8x squared plus 10x. Next, y times the group y plus 3 minus 2 times the group y minus 2. So first, let us simplify this group and then this group. So y times y is equal to y squared plus y times 3 is equal to 3y. Next, negative 2 times y is negative 2y, and negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Okay, combine like terms. Y squared plus y, because 3y minus 2y is equal to 1y. So no need to write 1 in front of y, because it is understood that there's a 1 in front of y, and then plus 4. So this is our simplified expression, y squared plus y plus 4. Next, multiplying two binomials. Group 2x minus 7 times the group negative 5x plus 3. Okay, here we can use the FOIL method. FOIL is the acronym for F, stands for first, O for the outer, I for the inner, and L for the last term. Okay, so in this problem, our first term, 2x times negative 5x. Next, outer term, 2x times 3. Our inner term, we have negative 7 and negative 5x. And last term, we have negative 7 and 3. So first, multiply our first term, 2x multiplied by negative 5x is equal to negative 10x squared. Next, the outer term, 2x times 3 is equal to 6x. Next, the inner terms, negative 7 times negative 5x is equal to positive 35x. And negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. Okay, look for the like terms. So we have here 6x plus 35x. Okay, negative 10x squared plus 6 plus 35 is 41x minus 21. Okay, so this is our simplified expression. Negative 10x squared plus 41x minus 21. We can also use the alternative method. So how it works? So first, arrange our expression vertically. 2x minus 7 times negative 5x plus 3. Next, multiply the digit 3 to each digit of our multiplicand. So 3 times negative 7 is equal to negative 21. Next, 3 times 2x is 6x. After we multiply 3, next is negative 5x multiply to negative 7 is equal to positive 35x. So, positive 35x. Make sure that the like terms are aligned. Next, negative 5x times 2x is equal to negative 10x squared. So this is positive. We're going to put plus sign. Okay, next, simplify. Bring down negative 21. Then combine 6 plus 35 is 41x. And bring down negative 10x squared. This is plus. Therefore, the answer is negative 10x squared plus 41x minus 21. Okay, let's have one more example. 3x squared plus 4x minus 5 times negative 2x squared plus 7. Okay, 7 times negative 5 is negative 35. Next, 7 times 4x is equal to 28x. 28x. Then 7 times 3x squared is equal to 21x squared. Okay, this is positive, so plus. After that, multiply negative 2x by negative 5. That is positive 10x squared. So where is the x squared? So here. So positive 10x squared. Next, negative 2x squared times 4x is negative 8x cubed. So cube, negative 8x cubed. Okay. Add. Then, negative 2x squared times 3x squared is equal to negative 6x raised to the power of 4. Okay, simplify. So bring down negative 35, bring down positive 28x. Next, combine 21 and 10 is equal to 31. Then x squared. Okay, bring down 8x cubed and negative 6x to the power of 4. Okay, look for the like terms. So we have here the exponent or the power 4, 3, and then 2, 1, then the constant number. So as you can observe, we don't have like terms. Therefore, this is our final answer. Negative 6x to the power of 4 minus 8x cubed plus 31x squared plus 28x minus 35. And that is all about this video. I hope you learned something and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.